How's it going, Instacart shoppers? Today we're going to be looking at what is the biggest possible Instacart order that you could take. Basically what we're going to be doing is getting on my phone, we're going to get on the actual Instacart app and make like a fake order. We're not actually going to go through with it, but we're going to see what is the biggest tip we can leave, and then we're also going to see if there's a limit to how many items we could throw on here. If we can't figure anything out on the app, we will resort to the good old internet, but without any further ado, let's jump right in on this video. Alright, so we are on the app. Let's choose a store and let's just make a ridiculous order. Why not? Let's do Dollar Tree. That one's a good one. Everyone has seen some pretty crazy Dollar Tree orders. They're usually the ones that are like 100 items, no tip, you know. But let's see. Let's just pack this up with some waters, if we could find them. I'll have to look it up. Alright, so they do have packs of water. They're a little small. Let's just go with the gallon. Satisfaction guaranteed. Sweet. Alright, so let's just see how far we can go with this. It won't let me type a number in there, so I'm just going to keep adding it. And like I said, I'm not actually going to go through with this order. No one's ever going to see this. I'm not going to place it. But we're going to get almost to the very end just so I could show you guys what is going on here. Alright, so we just hit the max for that. 150 gallons of water. Yeah, add to cart. Why not? Alright, so that wasn't enough water, so we're going to get on here and add some packs of water and see if it limits us here. I assume it's going to be 150 again, unless if it varies by weight per item. So 150 seems to be the limit per item, at least at Dollar General. So we're going to go ahead and add that to our cart. And I think that's as much water as we need. So let's go ahead and go towards the checkout stage of things. So for this much water, it's going to cost us $375. Your cart is too large. They do limit you. All right, well, I could do 149. So apparently that's not a problem. Obviously, the problem here is they could just keep adding other items. And I'm pretty sure they wouldn't be capped. Because as far as I know, there's no real limit on how many items you can get with Instacart. Alright, so we're going to head towards checkout, and we're going to get to the most interesting part. We want priority, because it's not actually happening, and we want to adjust the tip. This is what we want. So Instacart would suggest $13.97 for them grabbing 149 gallons of water for me. That's not going to cut it. So we're going to go here to edit, and just put in the most ridiculous number that we can do. Why not? $700,000. Let's do 7 million. Will it let me? Okay, maximum is allowed 500. So that basically answers that. So in total, this would cost me $724 for 149 gallons of water, but I wanted to tip the person nicely, so that was a good chunk of it. The heavy order fee is only $10. Let's take a look at that. I don't know about you. I don't think that should be heavy pay. Only 149 gallons, like, it's not even that much. Obviously, I'm joking. So basically what we found out from that is that the maximum tip you can do is 500. So from here, though, it gets a little tricky because there's no true limit to how many items someone could request. Hang on, my Roomba got stuck. Alright, the Roomba has been saved. So basically what we're going to do here to come up with the max Instacart pay, we're going to look at some of my orders and see what their average like pay per mile was, and we'll add that to the $500 tip to give you a pretty close max. And then we're going to get on Reddit and try and verify this. So here you're getting paid around 60 cents per mile. On average, you're probably driving like 6 miles. So for here, even with heavy pay order, I'm only earning about $11 from a pretty big batch. So, I mean, really you shouldn't be seeing Instacart orders any bigger than around 520 to 530. But let's get on the internet / Reddit and try and see if there's anything bigger than that and see if our quote here is accurate. Alright, so right off the bat, we see this one at 440. We're going to see if we could find anything closer to what we were guessing the true max is. So from the research that I've done, I haven't been able to find a $500 batch, but I know it's possible. So really the highest paying batch that you should be seeing, like we were saying, is around $500 to $520. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap the like button down below and consider subscribing. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.